Here is how to link Exness to MT5. Launch the Exness app and sign in. Now, when you have successfully signed in, the next thing you need to do is to locate the account that you want to link into your MT5. So here I have a demo account. If yours is real account or a demo account, it will still work and it's still the same process. So all I have to do now is to locate the account. So this is the account, this demo account. That's what I'm going to use in this video. I have to tap on these details. So when I tap on these details, I'll tap on settings. Look at the settings tab here. So I'll tap on it. Under this settings tab, you will see the details of your account and the leverage and everything. So just scroll down to where you will see trading platform, MetaTrader 5. And here you will see login, server, change trading password, and trading log. What you are going to need here is this login and the server and the password. While creating the account, you'll be asked to create a trading password that you are going to be using to log into your MT5 app. If you no longer remember the password or you want to create a new one, all you have to do is to tap on this change trading password and you'll be asked to create a new one. So I will not be creating a new one because I know my password. If you don't know yours, just create a new one from here. So I'll be heading back to the page. So now this is the settings page. All I have to do is to tap on this icon here. I've copied the login ID. I will have to memorize that my Exness trading server is Exness MT5 trial 9. So what I have to do now is to head over to the MT5 app and then sign in. So this is the MT5 trading app. Make sure that you have the latest version. So all you have to do is to launch the app and then tap on this trade icon, this menu here, tap on it and then tap on get started. And here you will see the option, this plus here. Tap on this plus, that is to add accounts, and you'll be asked to find broker in the next page. Then in the next page, all you have to do is to search for Exness. Wait for it to load. Once it's finished loading, you will see the list of all Exness servers that are available. So scroll down and look for the desired one. So how to know which one to choose? If your Exness server is showing Exness KE or Exness CV or Exness VG, that's when you will choose any of these, depending on what your server is showing. But my server is not showing anything, not showing any BV, MU or anything. It's just only Exness. So I will have to look for the one that has only Exness Limited. That's the one I'm going to look for. So let me look for it. Okay, look at it. Exness Technologies Limited. This is the one I'm going to choose. So I'll just tap on this. And then in the next page, I'll be asked to enter my login and then the password. And so for me to be sure that I choose the correct one, I'll have to look for my server first. So I'll have to tap on this. Then I'll scroll down and look for my server. So let me scroll down and look for it. Exness MT5 trial 9. This is my server. Look at it. So I'll just have to select it. So I've selected it. Now I'll have to paste the login details that I copied. I have to paste the login details. Tap on paste. So this is the login details. And now I'll enter the trading password. I've explained what the trading password is. The password that you use to log into your MT5 account that you will be asked to create while creating an account in Exness. So let me enter my password. So I've entered my password. Now I have to tap on save password. Turn on this save password so that you will not be asked to log in anytime you launch the MT5 trading app. And then tap on login. Now let's wait and see. Connecting. So as you can see, the linking is now successful. Let me head over to the trading page. So this is the exact same amount I have in this demo account. So as you can see, and that is all on how to link Exness to MT5. Now, all I ask of you is to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. And I also made a video on how to place your first trade on Exness. Watch this video. I've explained the simple step-by-step that you can follow in order to place your first sell trade or buy trade in Exness. Watch this video and I will see you in this video.